Hello everyone, it's your mommy Mo. This morning we are going to teach ourselves on how to make diffuser. Yes, quick one, I don't want this video to be long. I have here with me, this is cool water. It's a fragrance. You need your fragrance. This is another version of fragrance. This is Miami. This is another. You can also use strawberry, you can use apple, you can use ampibor, you can use anything any fragrance that you like, of your choice that you like. Then I also have ethanol. This is alcohol. Yes, apparently this is going to be more than the amount of fragrance that I'm going to use. So this is my mixer, my measurement cup, and I also have this for measurements as well. This is 30 ml for measurements. So let's start. I'm going to start with my ethanol. This is my alcohol. I want to measure 70 ml of ethanol. This is 30 ml. This is another 30 ml of ethanol. And that is, I want to use 70 ml. So apparently, let's see. I'm going to look at measurement cup to find out. Yes, this is I want to be sure. Now, I must say this. My fragrance, because the essential oil I'll be needing in my fragrance is not much, so I don't really need much. So when I went to buy these fragrances, essential oil were dropped inside. So I have frankincense and paraffin. They're actually joined, so they're already in. This is cool water and this is Miami. So in case you want to do so, the ingredients you really need for your diffuser is your alcohol. You need your alcohol, you need your fragrances, and you need your essential oils. So essential oil has been added to these fragrances. So I want to, let me add my Miami. This is a fragrance, and don't forget my essential oil is already inside. This is 30 ml of my fragrance. So this is Miami. I want to mix the two fragrances. Yes, so that the combination of these two is actually fantastic. You are really going to love it. So don't forget your essential oil. They are just few drops, so that's why. Wow. So our diffuser is ready for use. Very, very, very ready now. Ready for use. So this is it. This is it. So ordinarily we are supposed to, I have my reed here. Let me use my reed to mix it. I'm supposed to get something else to mix it. Usually if you are not selling this, you can actually leave it for 24 hours, let it mix together before you get it. But since I'm using it for my own use, I may not really need to put it down for it to settle. I can use it right immediately. So this is my diffuser. It's easy to make. My major ingredients are alcohol, my fragrances, which I've already added my essential oil. So, and then I already have empty bottles empty bottles.
Yes, our diffuser is ready for use. At this moment, I'm pouring this in a bottle that I have at home. Apparently, I've bought so many diffuser in the past. You know, I love my home to smell so nice. So I'm always in the habit of buying different brands of diffuser. So and different brands and different fragrances of diffuser. So at this point, I'm done with the making of it. I'm pouring it inside the bottle of an old diffuser. In fact, by the time you see this package, you would actually think that I bought the brand. Now, I've actually had the read. It's ready for use now. This is a very beautiful one. It smells so good, so very good. You are really going to enjoy it. You can have different fragrance. You can do coffee, you can do lavender, you can do strawberry, you can do sherry, whatever fragrance you like, you can do. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. God